Even Davy Johnson, manager of the Mets, has days when his pitcher and his stomach balk.
Can't believe he walks a leadoff batter.
Which is why Davy keeps Rolaids nearby. Rolaids antacid is serious medicine that consumes all the acid required to bring millions 100% relief.
I hope he doesn't throw him a fastball.
And on days filled with errors and frankfooters, Rolaids relief is what's needed most.
I should have gone into golf.
Get serious relief. Get Rolaids.
Watch the house, Barney. I'm going shopping.
Bet she's going for jerky treats to treat the world's best guard dog. Ever vigilant, ever brave. Ever tell you I was scared of the garbage truck?
Oh, Barney, I'll wait. And you can have jerky treats.
He tries so hard to please. So please him with the tender smoked meat taste of original Jerky Treats dog snacks. It's the treat that says love.
Sometimes being mothered is better than being macho.
Sunday on Fox. Peg Bundy finds a solution to her money problems
I'm off to work.
and leaves the housekeeping chores to Al.
Why don't you just break down and go to the supermarket and buy some actual food? You know, the kind Mom used to defrost.
What did he make you for dinner?
Marshmallows.
Are the Bundys ready for Peg's career?
We're starving and we're dirty.
I miss my empty life.
Married with Children. Sunday, only on your Fox station.
Give a little nibble, give a little nibble.
Wendy's asks, before you eat your next hamburger, any hamburger, taste the meat.
Give a little nibble.
Is it dry and chewy, or hot and juicy? Is it bland, or is it tasty?
Give a little nibble.
No other hamburger has Wendy's hot and juicy taste. The more you nibble others, the more you'll love Wendy's.
There's a brand new sparkle in the blue. Introducing new Blue Nun Sparkling Wine. It has the same delicious taste as Blue Nun, but it bubbles. Let your good taste sparkle with new Blue Nun Sparkling Wine.
Dianetics, a fresh look at today's problems. Get your copy now at Walden Books.
They called themselves the Disciples of James Dean.
It's the old club jacket. Where on earth
Well, guys, the three of us had ourselves one hell of a time, didn't we?
Hollywood's brightest young stars was killed early
His son will carry on in his blood.
It's not his
I hope you found what you came in looking for.
Sandy Dennis, Karen Black, Cher. Come back to the Five and Dime Jimmy Dean, a USA premiere event, coming June 10th.
Catch the tide. Riptide. Every day on USA.
The USA special continues with the complete Beatles.
I was looking for something original.